Hey guys, I'm Kerrie McCallum from Delicious, and we're here in Melbourne tonight for the launch of American Express Delicious Month Out 2022, and we're actually at the new and gorgeous Victor Churchill in Melbourne. Only opened late last year. This is the very first cocktail event they've ever had in the place. So I'm going to take you through to have a look at the setup. It's next level, and I just want to show you a quick detail on the door here. This is why they call it the Louis Vuitton of butchers. Look at that attention to detail. You're never going to see a door handle like that again. Everything is literally custom made in here. But come with me, I'm going to take you through. See the cabinetry, you can get any kind of meat here, cut to order. They do everything, and the best produce in the country. And a lot of people say the world as well. Keep coming through. Everyone's having a good time already. This is where you can get meat, sliced, all sorts of charcuterie here. You've even got a great setup on the end of the table. Look at this. I don't even know where to start. You can even see the setup in the cabinet here. Literally everything you could dream of. If you're a meat lover, and if you're not, there's actually some great seafood as well. This is the counter where you can actually sit down and have steak, a dozen oysters. You've even got a rotisserie grill right in the back there. You can see them working hard over the fire, but you can actually come here and have an incredible meal. That's why we call tonight champagne and charcuterie, because what goes together better than champagne and charcuterie? But if you haven't been to Victor Churchill, Melbourne, you've got to come and check it out. And hopefully you have fun following along with us tonight, and get out and have some events with friends and family yourself. We've got a few left towards the end of May, and there's a lot of great deals to be had.